This was literally a monumental task for us, being a World Expo and one of the pavilions, one of the three primary pavilions of the Dubai Expo, it was going to be nothing but large and probably similar to doing one of the trilogies that we've worked on before, but in an incredibly reduced time frame.
Weta Workshop once again putting Aotearoa front and centre on the world stage. This time not on the big screen, but in the Middle East at Expo 2020 Dubai.
It's so exciting to get to engage with another place in the world and have such a synergy and such an interlinking of minds, thoughts and efforts.
So Richard Taylor and his team handpicked to create one of the main attractions, telling the story of mobility in a human way.
People immediately think it's about technology, it's about vehicles, but it's not, of course. It's about the mobility of people, their minds, what they invent, how we've journeyed through history, how we'll continue on into the future.
It meant reinventing their processes from the ground up.
The different components and complexities of that story has never probably been packaged into one place. And that was very much what the narrative was trying to unpack and share with people.
Overall, Weta created 11 installations, including 3 giants, 16 metres tall when standing.
The first figure that we did was Al-Bakri, who is a great geographer and historian. Then we did Batuta, who is a great scholar and explorer, and Ibn Majid, who is a navigator and cartographer.
1 year to build, 4 months to ship, and 3 months to assemble in Dubai. Also on display is a single piece of sculpture, the bas relief.
From the emergence of humans on the planet right through to thinking about where we may be in the near future, this plays out 58 metres long around the walls of one of the pavilion sectors.
Impressive at the best of times, but even more so during a global pandemic. If the local feedback is anything to go by, it's mission accomplished.
It's been so lovely hearing the sense of pride and warmth that people have felt from the region leaving the pavilion and feeling that they now know a huge amount more about people from the local region that have had major impacts on the story of mobility for the world. So that's been a really lovely offshoot.
And in his own words,
doesn't really get any cooler than that.
Just to let you know, Weta Workshop is also the one who created some of those special effects and prosthetics in The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbits. Please check this previous video about Wellington and you will see some of their works there. Also, please support Eat Avenue. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you for all your support.